for today's video, we will unbox our package from USA. Baka masaksak ako. Ay, baliktad pala yung pagka-open ko. So our first item is from Michael Kors. This is the Wiley or Willy Clogs of MK. Not sure how to pronounce it. It's a round toe slip-on with chunky soles para magmukhang medyo matangkad kahit duty. And may mga freebies, hand cream, and chocolates. For the next item, ay mamaya na lang yan. Nagkaka-crisis ako dito. Paano ba ito bubuksan? Second item is from Michael Kors again. This is a jet set item. A medium double zip crossbody. At mahirap siyang buksan. Hindi mauhulog agad ang mga items nyo. Paano ba ito? Leather ang kanyang material and gold tone hardware. Then, may pocket din sa likod. This is the first zip pocket. Wala namang ganap. Di maalis. Huwag na nga lang. This is the second zip pocket. Meron din siyang compartment inside na parang card organizer. Nandito yung sling niya. Tama ba sling? Oo, tama. Then, so here yung care card. And the shop's paper bag. And our next item, dito ako pinaka-excited kasi it is my first item from their brand. Ay, nahulog. It's a MCM sunglasses. Nakita ko lang to sa isa sa mga US-based shopper. Then, magandang fit sa kanya. Kaya, napa-order na rin ako. May MCM prints siya on both sides. And may free glass cleaner cloth. So, ito lahat ng mga items na dumating. Thank you for watching.